Here I have SOYES S10 mini, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So what you have to do is to take your device, find a SIM card and SD card slot here. You can eject it with your bare hands, just like this. And here you have to put your SIM card, and at the other side you have to put your SD card, and then just like this put it back into your device. And as you can see, it requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And there's also a notification that SD card found. Do you want to change the default wide disk? No, which is the proof that SD card is also read. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.